Welcome back to another New York afternoon session. Having a look at volume profile first of all, we can see that we've got a lot of volume sitting at the top of this volume profile and a big gap or low volume area in the middle, high volume down the bottom with point of control. In terms of the value area high, we're around about 30-40 points away from it now, currently pushing up a bit. We're about 100 points away from previous day value area. Each candle is moving within a range of around 5 to 10 points.
That range is actually a bit more manageable for today, which is good. So we're not seeing that extreme volatility we had last session. I'll keep an eye on how price interacts with that value area high, and if we get a solid push or rejection from there, we'll make a call. Keep your risk tight.
So in terms of things tradable today, we've got only the value area high with a high volume node as a confluence about 40 points away. Other than that, there is no other key levels. So what is the plan for today, TA?
Right, exactly. So the plan today is going to be really patient, but watch how price reacts as it approaches that value area high. If we see a strong rejection, especially from that high volume node, we might look for a short. If it breaks above and holds, then we'll just stay flat and wait for the next setup. And of course, no overtrading. Keep it disciplined.
So basically you're saying we can't take any trades until we get near that value area high level?
Exactly. That's the key focus. We just stay patient and let price come to us. If it approaches that level and gives us a clear reaction, whether a solid rejection or a breakout, then we can make a move. Until then, we're just staying on the sidelines and protecting our capital.
Okay, well, until that happens, let's at the Apex evaluations, and we might trade those rather than our normal TradeSync live accounts.
Yeah, that sounds like a solid plan. We'll keep it controlled with just one contract on the Apex evaluation, wider stops and a bit less risk. Once we get closer to that value area high, we'll switch back to the normal plan if conditions allow. Just keep me updated on how that eval goes.
Okay, we just took a trade on the 2:30 p.m. Chicago time candle. There's usually reaction there. That was 10 points on the eval account for Apex.
Got it. Nice job staying within that risk profile. Keep a close eye on it. If we get a solid reaction off that 230 candle, we might see a follow through. Just remember to stick to your exit rules, whether it's a target or trailing stops, and let me know how it progresses.
So from that 2:30 p.m. candle, we've now moved a couple of minutes away, still going long, into an area of low volume where we've seen in the last 4 hours 3 rejections off that level.
Yeah, that's a key spot to watch. If it stalls again in this low volume zone, that could be a strong rejection. I'd keep an eye out for any bearish confirmation like a wick or a reversal pattern before deciding to close. If it breaks through and holds though, we could see a bigger push. So just stay patient and flexible.
One. Really? Mm.
Okay, that'll do for today. So we've had 2 Apex evaluation accounts. I think we got maybe 300 on that account, and then on this account we got 300, maybe 250 on each account. So that's good for today. We didn't touch our normal Top Step Express account, and we didn't touch the normal Apex PA account. Although had we, it might have been a good day to do so, but we only really had one confluence, being this high volume nodes, or 2 of them here at the top, to play off. And I would really prefer to have something else as a confluence, a value area high or a previous day level, and those are all the way down here. So we didn't have them today. This could be the reversal that usually happens at this time.
Yeah, exactly. I think you played it smart by staying selective today. Even though the moves were fast, it was really good discipline to stick to your plan and not overtrade. And yeah, that typical reversal time might still play out, so we'll keep an eye on that next session and see if we get a better setup.